Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Kiran Chandna, a practicing gynecologist. I am speaking about carcinoma breast. These days, cancer is increasing day by day because of certain changes in our environment and our eating habits. Carcinoma breast is one of the most prevalent cancer in India and throughout the world. Early diagnosis by screening of carcinoma breast can reduce the mortality and morbidity. It can increase the lifespan of the patient and it can increase the prognosis of the disease. So, early diagnosis is necessary for carcinoma breast. Early diagnosis and early screening can be done by self-breast examination, examination by the clinician, ultrasonography, mammography, MRI, and tissue biopsy, etc. Self-examination is one of the most important issue, and self-examination can be done by the patient itself, and it should be done every monthly, and we should stand in front of the mirror and take off our clothes from the upper body, and we should see that both sides of both the breast is equal, and if there is any lump or if there is any change in the skin or nipple size or any retraction of the nipple, we can raise our heads like this to see the lower part of the breast, and if there is any mass in the lower part of the breast, so that we don't miss this portion. We should stand just like this, and we should see the front portion of the breast and the axillary region. And we should palpate the retroareolar region for complete diagnosis. And by this, and by lying down on the bed, we keep our hand below the head, and we palm of other hand with the pulp of fingers, we feel the whole breast in the circular manner, anti-clock and clockwise direction, both ways, and we see for the retroareolar region and the axilla both ways. Similarly, we palpate the other side of the breast, and we see for the any mass. Self-breast examination is to be done every monthly by the patient herself. It should be done in the same phase of the menstrual cycle, usually post-menstrual or the mid-cycle. Self-examination can detect 1.5 centimeter to 2.5 centimeter masses. Masses which are lower than this size cannot be detected by self-examination, so there is need of doctor or the breast surgeon. There is need for the mammography. Mammography is screening mammography. Screening mammography is to be done at the age of 40 years, and it should be done annually. Follow-up mammography does not mean that you have carcinoma breast. We should not be alarmed about this. And diagnostic mammography is to be done in cases when there is family history, or when we found a mass, or when there is radiation history, or there is some family history in the near relatives like mother, aunt, or sisters, or there is some genetic mutation like BRCA1 or BRCA2 mutation in the family or in patient herself. In these cases, screening mammography is to be done at the age of 30 or 35 also. Then there is examination, then we can do 3D mammography. 3D mammography increases the detection rate by 25%, and it reduces the false positive rates. It is advised by the breast surgeon when it is needed and when it is not needed. Additionally, ultrasound in cases when we are not understanding the mammography and the breast is hyperdense. MRI in cases when diagnosis is not being reached. Treatment is in the form of surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation. Early detection can reduce the extent of surgery, it can reduce the need of chemotherapy and radiotherapy. Risk factors are increasing age, early menarche, late menopause, use of smoking and alcohol, and if there is family history, gene mutation, or any use of OCPs or HRT. Protection is by breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is advocated to reduce the breast cancer. So friends, we should be aware of all these things. We should fight breast cancer. Early detection is key to success. Be aware and make others aware also. Thank you.